Vlogger pala ako.
Vlogger ka nga.
Nakalimutan ko mag-video.
Have a nice
Hi guys, send mo na lang to sa akin. We are here at TGIF and nauna order na lang. And nakalimutan ko na ng vlog and pinagtitripan nila ako. That's all for today. And then we got this. It's a milkshake and then that's all for today. Ayan, ayaw mag-focus. Bulok iPhone. And that is all for the vlog. Where they kept on laughing kasi happy feel nila ako. Ito si Gian, gagawa kita ng GF. Yan! Yan! Nguya pa! Oh.
Ito, sige mo lang kakampi.
Oh, smile nga kayong tatlo. Show your teeth. Show your teeth nga eh.
No, so what?
What are you thinking? There is a video. Sabi ni Gian, show your what?
Okay, hit pa piligin siya nila.
Wala. Tinatry niya makagetaway na.
Tawa, sumatawa si Jenny.